Magic Beans, and today we're talking about the MOBY WRAP. Now, if you have comments, questions, or suggestions you want to make to us about other demos you want to see or about these products you see in the video today, please send us an email either at questions@mbeans.com. You can call us at 617-383-8259, or even leave a comment just down below in the video here and we'll get right back to you. But for now, the MOBY WRAP. This guy is really just one very long piece of fabric, and it's meant to be one long piece so that everybody in your family can wear it, and however you want to wear your baby, whatever position on your body you want to carry them in, the MOBY WRAP will allow you to do so. I'm going to just show you one of the classic positions. Now, to start this position with the baby as a newborn, inward facing, you can start it a bunch of ways. There is like one shoulder methods. I prefer doing the waist belt method. What I've done at the moment is set up my MOBY WRAP so that you can see it. There's going to be one sticker in the very front that's going to tell you it's the halfway point. And we're going to separate the pieces so that they're sitting on the floor on either side of us. And we're going to create a belt system. So wrap right under there, and then you're going to step through the carrier, and behind you, you're going to cross it over your body. And at this point, you're really about like a third of the way done or so. Take these guys up, what I refer to as suspenders, just go right over your shoulders. So crossing in the back, then down in the front, gather your excess material in one hand here, and you're going to go down the belt you created in the very beginning. If you need remembering, this piece has that little sticker saying it's the halfway point. Take all the material down the very front, let it come out the very front, and if you see the two suspenders we had that are separate pieces, we're now going to take them, and your last step, crossing them. And at this point now, just wrap them behind you until you run out of fabric, double knot it so nothing comes undone, and then really, you're done. We just have to put the baby in here. Now, to put the baby in here, we have this waist belt we created in the very beginning. Again, you'll see that's the MOBY WRAP sticker there. Move that waist belt to the very bottom of your carrier, and we're just going to concentrate on these two pieces. Now, depending on how tight and firm you wrap them versus like loose you wrap them is all about how big your baby is. So it's going to take a little bit of getting used to like how big the baby is and how much space they really need in here. But for now, I've set it up as a newborn size. To help me show you the demo of how to put a baby in here, we're going to get Chester, our faithful little sidekick baby, who's in a really good mood despite it being a very late hour in the night at the moment, and he's going to slip himself into the carrier with me. To start, locate the V shape you have here, because we're going to put Chester on our shoulder and then allow his legs to slide down onto either side of that V shape. So up you go, and then with one leg, go on this side, switch sides over to the other side of your chest, and grab his other little leg and go right back through the other one. Now keep his hands tucked into the carrier. At this point, we can rearrange them at the end if we need to. I'm going to give myself a little tug on the carrier to make sure I have plenty of space for his body to fit inside. And then if you see, we actually have two straps here, and one is on the outside and the other one is on the inside of the carrier. We're going to take the one on the inside, and if it's become bunched up, that's totally fine. Unbunch everything and give it a little pull, and we're going to do full coverage on this. So we want to make sure that from his little knee on one side to around his butt, all the way to the knee, full coverage of carrier wrap. Take his little arm that's snuck out, put it back under the carrier in a good position, and then take this outer piece and stretch that all the way over, just like that, just like this. Tuck his little hands in by his face just to keep him nice and calm during this time. And really in this position, the way you naturally carry your baby, he's gonna sit really nice and high on your chest and put his head right over your heart, find a lot of comfort in it. He'll smell you and know exactly where you are. It's really just creating a little bit of a bump on top of you. As the baby's really small, this will be really all the support you need. And then later on, you can take that waist belt and move it up over Chester to get extra space on the inside of this. To get extra tightness on this, to make sure that those babies who try to pull away from you or lay it to the side get extra support on the inside of this. So it's really all there is to it. It's not that much wrapping, but feel free to rewind the video if you want to see it done again, or call us and we can walk you through it. If you Instagram us, we can even do a virtual consultation with you if you need extra help with the MOBY WRAP. For now, thank you for watching this. Please like and subscribe to the video down below, and then keep on watching because we have other carrier videos and other baby gear videos coming up after this. Thanks, guys.